Want liquid iOS 26 in React Native Expo? Let's start. Open your terminal, run npx create expo app at latest my glass app --template blank typescript. Then go to the app folder my glass app, install Canary version, npx expo install expo at 55.0.0. Then Expo Dev Client, Expo Glass Effect, Expo Blur, Expo Router and Expo UI with all matching Canary versions. Add resolutions for React Native Screens 4.18 and React Navigation / Native Stack 7.5. In app.json set main to Expo Router / entry and new arc enabled to true. Want the complete setup guide, exact package versions and starter code? Comment glass and I will send you everything.